Hey folks, welcome back to the Might Matter YouTube channel. I am here near O'Hare Airport in Chicago, Illinois, checking out the new BP Pulse Giga charging station. It looks huge on the app. I think there was 34 or 36 charging locations open today. Today's the first day this charging station's open, and so I wanted to check it out. Plus they're doing a special opening event where they're having 1 penny per kilowatt hour charging, and some folks that work there and maybe some light refreshments and stuff like that. So I was really curious to check it out, and I wanted you guys to check it out with me. This is a pretty big charging station by the sounds of it, and it's near O'Hare, which is really important for anyone who's doing rideshare type work, you know, going to and from the airport to pick up passengers through Uber or Lyft. Having a charging station nearby would be pretty useful between runs if you're going all day, especially in the cold winters here in Chicago. Looks like there it is on the left. So we're at a BP gas station with the convenience store just off to the left, and right behind that it looks like this new BP Pulse charging station. I'm gonna do a quick drive around and I'll show you guys what this looks like from the car first. Check it out. There's covered parking, which today is especially nice because of the rain. Just last week it was snowing, so it would be a nice plus for that as well. And it looks pretty huge with lots of people here, so I'm gonna pull in and take a look at it. Looks like there's lots of employees and folks here. Hello, how are you? Let's pull in and check it out. All right, just talked to some nice folks here. I'm going to talk to them a little bit more, but first I want to get charging, especially if it's only 1 penny per kilowatt hour. I'm going to try it out. So, looks like you can use a credit card, which is nice. I think I'll use the app. I want to try using the app. Oh, this is only $1.50. Let's see. Interesting that there's 400 kilowatt over there and over there. That Silverado is charging at $1.50. I'm kind of curious. I wanted covered parking, and I'll probably stick with covered parking just because of the weather today. But so far it looks like the under roof stations they're all $1.50 by the looks of it. But you can get the 400 stations off this aisle, across the aisle at the uncovered spot. So anyway, I'm going to engage this via the BP Pulse app, which I already pre-downloaded and logged in already last night, and I'll get started from there. It is windy today. There's a huge cold front coming in, so I apologize for the wind noise. It's really windy today. We're going from about 50 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit down to, I think, pretty low tonight, like 7 tonight or something like that, and in between, you know, even during the daylight hours, it's going to be roughly, you know, 40 degrees. So that's why it's so windy. But I'm going to check out a couple more things here and get my cheap charging up to about 80%, which is where the lightning tapers off. And once I hit about 80%, I'm going to head out. But so far, I've been really impressed with the amenities near this charging station. There's the Popeyes I smell. And Portillo's across the street. If you don't know about Chicagoland Portillo's, there's a Portillo's right there you can check out while you're here. But I've been very impressed with the layout, just how nice everything is, the roof. I don't see any garbage cans or squeegees. I rarely use squeegees anyway, but garbage cans would be nice. But then of course you gotta have someone to empty it out. Well, the hotel has garbage cans, so sorry hotel, we'd probably end up using your garbage cans if we needed to. But all right, I'm gonna wrap this up here in a few minutes and I'll be on my way. Earlier I was talking about how these chargers are all $1.50, and I just realized now they're all CCS as well, versus across the aisle they're all NACS. Well, no, they're not all NACS, but these ones are NACS at 400 kilowatts. Another NACS 400 kilowatts, but then over here we've got CCS 400 kilowatts. So I think they've done a really good job in balancing the NACS and CCS availability. Yeah, Nax, CCS, Nax. Oh, this is a big one too. Okay, here's a covered one. I should have gotten this one. 400. I guess I don't really need it with my state of charge. CCS, 400 kilowatts, and under the roof. So that's the one to get. That's the best spot in the house for a non-Tesla, or at least a non-Nax car. This bolt was charging earlier. There's an area way down there I showed you earlier, and that's where this bolt was. You probably saw it. Another thing I thought of was restroom availability. Again, maybe you could mooch off the hotel, or certainly one of these fast food restaurants. You could probably use their bathrooms, whether you buy anything or not, but I'd probably end up buying something anyway. Oh, you can see the approach lights for the airport right over there. I don't know if you can see it. That's how close we are to the airport. It's a pretty cool spot. It'd be awesome if there was like an airplane viewing area near here to look at airplanes while you're charging, but I digress. So as I'm approaching 80% on my truck, I'm gonna head out here, but look at the nice spread that the BP folks have provided us. They gave us some swag. I got a hat, a microfiber towel, some hot tea on a cold day like today, so that's nice. Oh, I got a first aid kit. They're all set for anything, so. Alright, I got to disconnect eventually. It was tough there for a minute. Alright, charging's done. Let's see if I can find my charging history in here. I don't see it yet. Oh, past sessions, right on top. All right, well, as I pull away, I'm gonna do a quick kind of U-turn and show you guys a little bit more about this charging station, but here's some kind of closing thoughts. So, like I mentioned a few times, it's near an airport. That's pretty handy. It's near Interstate 294, Interstate 90, Interstate 94. That's super handy as well. And I gotta say, they did a great job in selecting the location. This location probably isn't cheap. So close to O'Hare, there's probably a lot of premium on the price of real estate here, seeing that, you know, you could use this spot for a hotel or for another gas station or restaurants. So I gotta say, it's pretty nice of them to invest in such, you know, I would say expensive real estate for BP charging. So credit to them for that. It's also a beautiful location. The rooftop, the charging infrastructure, everything, of course it's brand new, so it's going to be nice, but the fact that they spent more money on the roof and stuff, that's a huge plus for me. For the record, these are all CCS locations here on the left, and it looks like they're 150. Yeah, these are all 150. So there's the BP Pulse Lightning I was talking about earlier, and a big thing I want to point out, a big point here, is that they are still growing. BP is still growing. The EV infrastructure overall is still growing. Today is still the worst the worst that EV charging is going to be. More stations are being built, and not only are there more stations coming every day, they're more reliable. I haven't had a problem with an EV charge in, I don't know, it's been over a year for sure. So it's getting better, folks. It's getting better. So stick around to the Mind and Matter YouTube channel. Learn more about EV charging, EV ownership, and EV road trips, and all the other stuff I like to do on my channel. And thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon. So long.